Sawubona mfundi, let me teach you today how to say my thing, your thing, his or her thing. So there's a pattern that we follow in isiNdebele when we're saying just like my, for example, my friend, your friend, his or her friend. All right. So we're going to explore different words and you will learn how to say all of this. Starting with umngane. So umngane is a friend. And if you want to say my friend, umngane wami. Your friend, umngane wakho. His friend, umngane wakhe. What about her friend? Umngane wakhe. Okay, so the third person is his or her. All right. So, moving on to words like ijaha. If you want to say my boyfriend, ngesindebele you're going to say ijaha lami. Your boyfriend, ijaha lakho. His, her boyfriend, ijaha lakhe. Angithi? So lami, lakho, lakhe. It's the same pattern. Remember with umngane, we said umngane wami, umngane wakho, wakhe. Angithi? Let's talk about another word, intombi, which means a lady, a young lady. So if you want to say my young lady, my girlfriend, you're going to say intombi yami. And then your girlfriend, intombi yakho. His girlfriend, intombi yakhe. Make sense? All right. Isigqoko. How do you say my dress? Isigqoko sami. Isigqoko sakho. Isigqoko sakhe. His or her dress. All right. We move on to the plural of isigqoko, which is izigqoko. Angithi? So if you wanted to say my dresses, you're going to say izigqoko zami. Your dresses, izigqoko zakho. His or her dresses, izigqoko zakhe. Are we together? Angithi? We have another form, which is lwami. We use it with words like unyawo. Unyawo is the foot, okay? So you're going to say unyawo lwami, unyawo lwakho, unyawo lwakhe, his or her foot. All right. In this group, we also have words like ugwalo, a book. So similarly, when you want to say my book, ugwalo lwami. Your book, ugwalo lwakho. His or her book, ugwalo lwakhe. Angithi, to properly speak Ndebele, you'll notice that you have to slow down sometimes. Angithi, to properly say, ngicela ugwalo lwami. If you try to run through this, you'll realize you are not managing to say it. Angithi, so especially as a beginner, try and say every syllable. Say it slowly if you need to, as long as you're saying it right. Don't rush. We are really not in a rush for anything. And ngicela ugwalo lwami. Right. With time, you can say it quicker. Then, you want to talk about food. What do we call food ngesindebele? We call it ukudla. Angithi? Food. If you wanted to say my food, ukudla kwami. Your food, ukudla kwakho. How about his or her food? Ukudla kwakhe. Angithi? Right, siyaqhubeka. Abantwana. You want to talk about abantwana? What is abantwana? Children. How do we say my children? Abantwana bami. Angithi? Your children? Abantwana bakho. His or her children becomes what? Abantwana bakhe. Okay. Lastly, amanzi. Kuyini amanzi? What is amanzi? Water. Angithi? So amanzi ami, my water. Amanzi akho, your water. Amanzi akhe, his or her water. All right. I hope it is making sense. All right. So next we will talk about when you're talking in plural, You want to say, for example, our water, your water, and you're talking to 2 or more people. And then we say their water. All right, so we're going I'm going to give you that lesson as well in the future. Look out for it. And so let me see you in the next lesson.